Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, the channel where we explore top-notch tech products to elevate your gaming and daily computing experience. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical gaming keyboards with the RisoPhy mechanical gaming keyboard. It's a keyboard that promises responsiveness, customization, and durability. Stick around as we dissect its features and put it to the test. Let's kick things off with an introduction to the RisoPhy mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is designed for those who crave that tactile and clicky feel when typing. It features blue switches, which offer higher accuracy and quicker response. If you're an enthusiast who appreciates that satisfying click sound, you're in for a treat. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its RGB rainbow backlighting. With 9 different backlights, 5 levels of light speed, and brightness control, it's a mesmerizing addition to your desktop setup, especially in low light conditions. The double-injection ABS-engineered keycaps ensure uniform backlighting and improve typing accuracy, even in the darkest of rooms. The RisoPhy mechanical gaming keyboard comes in a full-size design with 104 keys, including a number pad. Worried about accidents? Fear not! This keyboard is built to handle spills with 4 hydrophobic holes that allow water to flow away quickly, preventing damage. The keycaps are pluggable and easy to clean, saving you unnecessary trouble. Comfort is key during long gaming sessions or work marathons. This keyboard boasts an ergonomic stare-up keycap design that keeps your arms in a natural position, reducing hand fatigue. Plus, it features 2 strong foldable rear kickstands to adjust the angle and improve your posture. With non-slip rubber padding, it stays securely in place. Gamers, rejoice! This keyboard offers 100% anti-ghosting, meaning all keys work simultaneously, no matter how fast you type. Additionally, it features 12 multimedia key shortcuts that grant you quick access to calculator, media control, volume adjustment, and email. It's designed to enhance both your gaming and productivity. That wraps up our review of the RisoPhy mechanical gaming keyboard. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. If you've had experience with this keyboard or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer, and we'll catch you in the next one.